Hello everyone, my name is Sania Shiraz Akhtar. Today we are discussing a very important topic is basic DC motor. So we will see construction, working and principle of DC motor. Let's start. First of all, principle. The principle of operation of a DC motor whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, a force acts on it. The direction of force is given by Fleming's left hand rule. So this is circuit diagram of DC motor. So in this motor, the main flux is produced by field winding when DC supply is given to motor. At the same time, the armature conductors also carry current. The main flux is downward from N pole, north pole to south pole, and the armature current direction upper is in upper conductor is dot, that is out of paper, while in bottom conductor is cross, that is going inside the paper. Using Fleming's left rule, the direction of force on upper conductor is found towards right, on bottom conductor is found towards left. These two equal and opposite forces produces a torque, and thus the motor start rotating in clockwise direction. Here only one conductor is shown at the top and bottom. At the bottom, in practice, it is found that all the top conductors under N north poles experiences force towards right, and all bottom conductors under the south pole experience force on left. Hence, the armature, so the motors start rotating. The magnitude of force is given by F is equals to B into I. So N B is equals to flux density given. The given is the B is equals to flux density Web per meter square, and I is equals to current in the conductor, and ampli I is equals to length of the conductor in meter. So this is the construction of DC motor. This is a diagram. So construction. The DC machine conducts the two south and two north poles. This is called as main pole, and field winding, armature brushes, shaft, commutator, yoke, magnetic flux lines, terminal box, fixing hole, and armatures. So we will see the in detail the construction. First of all is yoke. The outer part is yoke. It is the outer cover of the motor. It is made up of cast iron or steel. It provides mechanical support and act as a path for magnetic flux. Second is main pole. It is mounted on the yoke, the carry field winding, and produces magnetic field required for motor action. Third one is armature core. You see the armature core. It is the rotating part of the motor made up of laminated iron sheet, and it is reduces eddy current loss and provide a path for magnetic flux. And fourth one is armature winding. These are These are copper conductors placed in the slot of the armature core. They carry current and experiences force in magnetic field. Commutator. You see the commutator. It is a cylindrical structure made up of copper segments. It reverses the current direction in the armature winding to maintain a unidirectional torque. Sixth one is brushes. The brushes made up of carbon. They are stationary. And seven point is shaft. It is a rotating spindle connected to the mechanical load, and it transfers the motor's output to the load. And 8 point is magnetic path. It is a closed path for magnetic flux which includes the field poles, air gaps, armature core, and yoke. This path ensures proper interaction between the magnetic field and the armature windings. And 9 point is terminal box. It is useful for external electrical connections to the motor. It provides a secure point for connecting power supply. Tenth point is field winding. These are the copper wires wound on the poles. When current flow through, then they produce the magnetic field required for motor actions. This is for DC motor. Thank you.